Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start by organizing your worksheet for 3 series and matching labels. Create columns titled Category, Primary Values, Secondary Values, and Third Values so Excel recognizes each series. Enter numeric data and decide target scales, for example primary from 0 to 100 and third scaled from 0 to 1000. Select the contiguous table including headers and data before making a chart. This selection ensures Excel adds each column as a separate series automatically. Keep your data types consistent and avoid blank rows or text in numeric columns. With your table selected, go to Insert and choose Combo Chart to combine chart types. In the Change Chart Type dialog, set primary values as clustered column and secondary values as line for clarity. Next, set the third value series also in the same dialog and choose a different chart type like line with markers. For both secondary values and third values, check the box to plot on the secondary axis in the dialog. Click OK to apply the combo configuration and show primary and secondary axes immediately. To simulate a true third axis, add a dummy series that matches the third value scale, for example values from 0 to 1000. Plot that dummy series on the secondary axis along with one real series. Then format the secondary axis by right-clicking and choosing Format Axis to set bounds manually, for example minimum 0 and maximum 1000. Use the dummy axis position and axis line formatting to visually separate it to the far right side of the chart. Finally, hide the dummy series marker.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.